Hi everybody, I'm here with my daughter Ren, and what we wanted to do is give you some insight into the new class that's starting in the fall. So we're going to be doing this class at BSON, and we're going to teach you not only embroidery tips and tricks, but we're going to teach you how to turn that embroidery into artwork and some really other cool projects. And we've got a lot of questions of saying like, well, what actually are you going to make in class? And we're going to learn embroidery secrets, we're going to learn applique, we're going to learn lace, we're going to learn how to trim and finish these objects. But with a traditional class, we've made projects, and over the last 20 years of like Anita's classes, you would learn how to make a zippered bag, and you'd go home with like a little bag, and you'd have kind of all these little odds and ends, but nothing cohesively went together. So with this new class, we're actually going to show you how to do all these different things. So you'll learn the techniques, but then you'll actually make something substantial to take home with you, and everything is included in the kit. So if we look here on the table, and what do we see here, Ren?
Flowers.
Lots of flowers. Now, there is no possible way that we would have time to create these all in class, so what I'm doing is I'm creating them for you. So even though you're going to get the designs and all of the elements to make more of these or make this yourself, I'm including all the elements that I would use here in my studio. So when it comes time to make the piece, you're going to take the pieces you're making in class and combine them with the kit that I'm including. And how many flowers do we have here?
I don't know.
Oh, there's a lot. And we have butterflies that are already made. So basically, I'm taking what would be 40 hours of machine time, and I'm turning it into a class that now we can just focus on putting them together. So once we have all of our pieces here, it's really easy. My daughter's made these before. How many of these have you made?
None.
Well, the gypsy pieces like this.
3.
3?
Yeah.
So she's already made 3. And basically, we just take the kit and we're going to apply the kit to the heart. So we can start by, this is really simple. And you're going to do all of this in class. So it's pretty fun. We're going to take these different flowers. I'm going to give you all the insight and ways to do it. You want to try some?
Yeah.
And she's obviously being closely monitored with a glue gun like this. But she's done this before, multiple times. Always be careful. And then we start creating our pieces. So it's pretty fun. And what takes the longest, obviously, is making all of these pieces. But we're taking the guesswork out of it for you and including enough to truly make this project from start to finish. Pretty fun, isn't it? So I can't wait to give this class, as you know. I haven't traveled in quite a while, probably since Ren was a baby, I guess, since the last time I truly gave a class, and this is kind of bringing it back. And if I wanted to come back out on the road and teach again, I truly wanted to teach something unique and different. And I can guarantee you that there's never been a class like this where you're going to get this really big kit with thread and stabilizer and designs and books, and you're also going to create basically a piece of art that I sell for $1,000, and you're going to create that from start to finish in class. And are we going to include the frame with the class, Ren?
The frame.
The frame that it sits on. Should we include a frame?
Yeah.
Yeah, so she said yes, so we're going to include the frame. We're also going to include the backboard, and part of the class, a big part of the class on the second day is going to be actually making this and taking all these ideas that we're going to learn over those 2 days and applying them to the actual project. So I'm excited. The classes start next month in September. We're going to be giving these at BSON, and we have them scheduled for Oklahoma, Texas, and actually here in Charlotte at our showroom. So
Here?
sign up today. Space is very limited with the amount of seats per class, but it's without a doubt going to be the best class I've ever taught. Are you excited? Are you going to come?
Yeah.
Yeah? You have to pay to get in, you know.
No.
So you want to take the class for free? And are you going to help people do this?
Yeah.
So you got to go like station to station as people are making this, and you have to give them all your tips and ideas to do that. So you think you're ready to teach someone else how to do this?
Yeah.
Okay. So what should I do next?
Put another flower down.
That's it? It's that simple?
Yeah.
That sounds way too easy. Now what do I do?
Put another flower down.
So you just keep putting flowers down until
Yeah.
until when?
It's full.
Until it's full. That's brilliant. What if I run out of flowers?
I'm gonna get more.
We just go get more. So we should have extra flowers in case somebody glues them too close together or something.
Yeah.
So how hard was it to learn this?
Not hard.
Not hard.
Nope.
So you're telling me anybody can make art.
Yeah.
What if you've never made art before? Should you be afraid to try it?
No.
How much would you sell this for?
I don't know.
Like $10?
No.
Why? That's not expensive enough? $30? $1,000? Okay, getting closer. I think it looks pretty good. And as we do this, it gets easier as you go on, doesn't it? Because there's less spots to put something.
Band-Aids.
You need a Band-Aid already?
Yeah.
From what?
It hurts. When I press it down.
Oh, I see. When you press it down, it hurts. We will have Band-Aids in class, just in case.
Yeah.
Wow, that's looking pretty good. As you see, we do make it easier, look easier than it is, I guess, right, Ron?
No.
It is that easy?
It's easy.
What takes the longest?
Making the flowers.
Making the flowers, that's what takes the longest. So that is, dozens of hours of time to do it. Now, where should we put the finishing touches? The butterfly. One right here? Right there, good?
Yeah.
Right there. Okay, we're going to teach you how to do the butterflies and how to trim them, mount them, making sure they're in the perfect spot.
I put a butterfly.
There you go. This one's glued. Be careful, don't touch the bottom. You got it? All right. Anywhere you want.
Right here.
All right, that looks good. Where should the last one go? Right there?
Where?
All right, so there's our quick version of this design. And again, you're going to learn everything you need to know on how to make this.
What is this for?
Much more like it. That's extra. You could keep adding stuff if you want. I don't think there is a case of having too much. So I look forward to seeing you all in this class, and I look forward to giving it to. So stay tuned, and we'll give you some more insight into what else I'll be covering soon. That's it. That's it? Yay.